Great teamwork, guys. I'm going to get his workout clothes ready. Welcome home.
Hey, CLOiD. Nasty weather we're having out there. You mind taking this wet towel from me?
Sure, I'll get the laundry started. Let me show everyone what I can do.
So this is CLOiD's first big-time press conference. And I know he wants to impress everybody out there. I did remind him earlier, we are America's most reliable lineup of home appliances. So really, no matter what happens here, I know my laundry's going to come out great. Good job, CLOiD. He's pretty cool, right? Yeah. LG's AIO